Welcome, today I'm showing you how to unblock phone number into a NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Firstly, open a phone application. Then on the bottom panel we got 3 dots in the right corner. Tap it and choose check out the intercepted phone. Go into this. Here we got calls and settings button. Tap settings and choose numbers in blacklist. Here we got 2 block numbers, so for unblocking, for example, this first number, tap on this, and here tap remove from blacklist. And confirm operation, tap remove the blacklist one more time. And that's it. Maybe let's try again. This number, tap here, then tap remove from blacklist, and accept operation, tapping remove one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.